In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync or mirror boards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, but sometimes you need a way to keep multiple boards in sync. So let's dive in and get started with this process. First, open up your Trello board and look toward the top right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like a rocket ship. Go ahead and click on that. This icon leads you to the Power-Ups section, which is what we'll need next. Power-Ups are essentially plugins that extend Trello's functionality, developed by third-party developers to enhance your workflow. Once you've clicked on the rocket ship, select Add Power-Ups. This will take you to Trello's Power-Ups marketplace. Using the search bar, type in two-way board sync and mirroring. When you find it in the list, go ahead and select it, then click Add to install it. If you're doing this for the first time, Trello will ask you to authorize the Power-Up for your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. With the Power-Up added, you'll notice a new button icon has appeared on the toolbar at the top of your Trello board. You'll be using this button to access the sync feature. Click on it, and you'll then select Create Flow from the options that appear. Give it a moment to load the app completely. Once it's up and running, you'll start by choosing the account that has the board you want to link. Select the board you'd like to sync, and then choose the board you want to link it to on your different Trello account. Once you've made these selections, click Confirm to move on to the next step. The next choice you'll need to make is how you'd like the connection to flow. For a typical two-way sync, choose the option with two arrows pointing in opposite directions. This ensures updates on one board reflect on the other and vice versa. After selecting this, click Confirm. Now it's time to define your sync conditions, the rules that govern what gets mirrored across the boards. After setting these, click Confirm again. At this stage, you have the option to either manually map the titles like names, labels, and attachments that will be linked to one another. Alternatively, you can let the system decide automatically. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Confirm and finally hit Continue. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a sync between your Trello boards. With everything linked and up to date, managing your projects across different boards has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!